Hey, what's up? Elle Ross here again for another quick tip video on how to build your six-figure personal brand. So I have multiple videos that I've posted and more are to come. So if you haven't checked them out, make sure to subscribe and watch the ones that you've missed. And also please like, comment, share, and again, subscribe. And if there's something or a question that you might have, please let me know and I will make sure to create a video just for you. So today's video is going over how to get your first client, which is really exciting, especially if you're new to business, you're a new entrepreneur, you're a new fitness trainer, you're new just in general in your business. How are you going to attract and gain your first client? So I do have a video on how to build your personal brand 101. That one, the first order of business is to know who your ideal audience and client is. You want to first know who your client is because you can't market and campaign to everyone. Not everyone has your same interest or needs your service or product. So you want to make sure that you're talking to exactly who needs your service and product, who your client is. For example, outside of business and branding coaching, I am a personal trainer. So my ideal audience is from the ages of 25 to 45, predominantly female, and most of them either work for themselves, travel, entrepreneur, consultant, stay-home mom, or fresh out of college and working for a marketing firm. That's who my ideal audience is. I'm not going to target and reach out to a 70-year-old man. He's not my ideal client. So that's just a mini example, but you want to make sure that you're targeting, speaking to your audience. Number 2, promote your brand. So in order to get a client, you must be promoting yourself, who you are, what you do, your service, and what you have to offer, and you need to promote it everywhere. So create flyers, create campaigns, make social media posts on Canva where you're advertising your products. And then that's something in another video going over the top apps and resources that you should have. If you haven't watched that video, check it out below. And so you want to promote. So in your story on social media and your story on Facebook, if you have a Twitter and you use Twitter, if you have a LinkedIn, you want to always be promoting your services wherever and whenever possible. When you meet someone, when you walk into a business, maybe you keep your business cards in a Starbucks or you have a flyer somewhere, just promote, and never think it's too much. You know, people need to hear things like 100 times sometimes before they even buy, because they need to learn you, you need to build rapport with them before they actually purchase. So promote, that's number 2. Number 1, know your audience and client. Number 2, promote. Number 3, you want to get involved in the community. So if you see a community resource event or something that is related to your product or service or what you do, maybe you're a real estate agent, maybe you're, like a consultant. So if there's like a networking event, make sure to get there, make sure to go, make sure to have business cards. If you don't have business cards, that's something that we will go over and how to create in my 60-day masterclass, which the link is below to register and learn more. So make sure to do that. So get involved in the community. If there is an event, like for example, for me in fitness, there's tons of fitness events in the community, which I always make sure to try to attend, to network with other fitness influencers. And sometimes your client is there because they are wanting to learn what you do, how to do it, and become better. So get involved in the community. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Just go and do it. There's no risk. Well, there's a big risk. Actually, no, there's no risk. Just do it. Number 4, collaborate. Specifically, collaborate with your competitors. So sometimes on social media, I don't know if you see, but I might post or someone might post like, go check out this person, they're awesome, or go check out what they're doing. Maybe someone's running a campaign or a challenge and you share it. Now if you collaborate that person, they will share something that you're doing, and so now you're able to reach another audience. you can reach that person's audience, that person's reaching yours, you're helping them, they're helping you. We all win, we all grow, we all build. And because of that, now you have a client from somewhere else. So for example, not only do I do in-person coaching, but I do online coaching. So through collaborating with other competitors, which I don't even want to call competitors, they are, I want to say like friends in a way, because we're helping each other. But through doing that, I am now reaching people in other countries. I am now reaching people in other states. And now I have clients everywhere and not just local. So make sure to collaborate and don't be afraid to reach out. It's going to help you grow your business substantially. Number 5, get social. And that's just really just being active on your social media. Actively engaging in your story, actively engaging after you create a post with your audience, actively being active on Facebook, and just in general. Social media is the way to reach such a large audience. The email campaigns, those work, but running okay, tangent. So sometimes magazine companies or newspapers want to reach out to me like, hey, do you want to add in my magazine? Just say no, because nobody reads magazines no more. No one really reads the newspaper anymore. Everything is video, everything is content, everything is this. What you're watching right here. You are watching this, receiving what I'm giving you, and you are learning something new. It's way easier to digest, easier to take notes. It's just better. So get social on your social media accounts and try to have an omnipresence. So with branding, you want to be synonymous. That's the word I'm looking for, yeah. You want everything to be sync. So your page and who you are on Instagram needs to be similar to Facebook, needs to be similar to Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever social platforms you're on, you all want them to be the same. So that way when someone Googles and looks you up, that's another tangent, that's another resource and tool that we will go over in my 60-day masterclass. When someone looks you up, they should be able to identify and know who you are and what you do and what you can offer them. So that's number 5. And number 6, SEO. What that is search engine optimization. And that's going to come from having your website. So if you don't have a website already, make sure to subscribe and join my 60-day masterclass, because that is something that we will cover in one of the weeks where I will help you design your website, create that SEO optimization, so that way when people are Googling you, you come up. I have gained so many clients through SEO, search engine optimization. Someone Googles me, and it's great because when I hop on the phone with them, which we will go over that too in my 60-day masterclass, when I hop on the phone with them, I always ask them, so how did you find out about me? Where did you find me? Or who did you hear where did you hear about me from? And when they say Google, I'm just like, yes, my SEO is working. Yeah, because it does. And that's another way you are going to get clients. So these are some of the 6 steps, but there's so much more that you will learn in my 60-day masterclass. So if you are serious and ready to take your business or your side hustle to your full-time hustle over the next 60 days and beyond, and be able to leave your full-time job. Listen, leave your full-time job working solely for you. Your hands and your financial freedom is no longer in the hands of a company or an employer. Taking full control. You are taking full control of your life, your legacy, your business, and your income potential. Don't let the employer put chains on where you can go and limit you. Your success is limitless, so you choose, so you take action. So just imagine where you can be in 60 days from now if you implement all the steps that you will learn in my 60-day masterclass. So again, don't hesitate. There's still spots available. Click the link below to join and register today. So that's my tips for getting your first client. If you learned something new, if you liked this video, please comment, please share, please subscribe. And there's a lot more where that came from. So I look forward to connecting with you, helping you grow your business and increase your impact, income, influence in the next 60 days and beyond. So talk soon.